Hi, my name is Scott Hamilton. I'm a Global Product Manager for TE Connectivity. And now I'd like to introduce you to TE's LUMAWISE shorting and open caps for outdoor street and area lighting. TE Connectivity's LUMAWISE product offering for LED lighting includes two selections of ANSI C136.10 compliant shorting and open caps. The caps close or open the primary electrical circuit in an outdoor luminaire that runs across the ENEMA twist lock receptacle. The caps are durable and weatherproof, fully suited for an outdoor environment 365 days of the year. Common uses include designating lighting fixtures for maintenance, keeping lights continually on for safety, or disconnecting service when lighting is no longer needed. TE first introduced the LUMAWISE ALR series of caps. The ALR series features an IP54 weatherproof rating and includes an option with a 545 joule MOV for protection against transient line surges. More recently, TE launched our LUMAWISE Endurance N and N Plus shorting and open caps. The LUMAWISE Endurance offering benefits from a gasket and cover design that provides a higher level IP66 seal rating and IK08 impact rating. At just 30 millimeters tall when mated, the Endurance N Plus cap is our lowest profile cap. When selecting your cap part number, consider what level of protection your application needs. Choose LUMAWISE ALR series for an IP54 rating or LUMAWISE Endurance for an IP66 rating. Ask yourself if additional protection is required for transient line surges. Choose black for a shorting cap and red for an open cap. Both offerings are ANSI C136.10 compliant and UL listed. For more information, visit te.com and type in LUMAWISE shorting cap. Then click on products or information in the top right, or contact your local TE representative.